Let's kill some gorillas, yeah?
Yeah, I get some orange. Look, gorilla, dude.
Oh, fuck, right there, right there.
Shoot him.
Shoot them.
Oh, shoot! Look, I'm in. I'm so lost, that's a shoot.
Shoot him up.
Fuck him up. Fuck him up. Kill him. Kill that gorilla, dude. Hey, let's go. Let's get him in the Mustang.
Go. Get him. Pick him up.
Let's go.
Hey, that's really good.
Stick so well. You're dead.
Do you just see those banana trees? Take them to the car.
Take the car.
Take the money. Okay. Here we go.
Get him in the car. That's right. That's right.
Go.
Lay there.
Lay there.
Dead.
I guess where that gorilla came from. Look at that banana tree. That gorilla came from right over there.
Right there.
Yeah, right there. You heard the guy. And that gorilla is dead. We're gonna go take him to a hill and just throw him down.
Yeah. Oh, we do. So rich. A little bit, huh? This is the best gorilla ever had. He's going down a hill and explode with the time bomb. And we're gonna go bye-bye. We're gonna get fresh money. And get some hookers. That's hookers.
Are you guys gonna take it to a museum?
Yep.
It's a rainy day out here. Look at the sky. Ooh, this is a nice truck right here.
Get him off.
Oh my God, it's a rainy day out here, and this is gonna be the hill where he's gonna roll down. There's the hill. That gorilla's dead. Here, I'll help you. Look at his big ass. Can you see his butt crack? Oh, look at that big ass. Asshole. It's a rainy day out here. It's really slippery. It's really slippery. So be careful. My friend right here, here, just calm down. Ooh, he has some leaves in his ass. He's gonna get in the car. Look, he's gonna go right through there.
That's
He's
alright.
very good. Look at his
Did the whole
head.
time.
He's alive! What are we going to do now? How do you...